subtraction using distance formula. What is distance formula? Let me remind you the distance formula. X2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. In fact, I'm going to also show you how to do the same problem using Pythagorean theorem. A square plus c square is equal to a square plus b square. So what is the problem? The problem is the same problem. Problem is I have two vector A, which is 30 degree above the x-axis, which is 3 meter in magnitude, and vector V, which is also 90 degree above the x-axis, which is also 3 meter in magnitude. Now I want to do a minus b. So what is a minus b? In order to find a minus b, I have to do a few things. I have to find the point. So let's first find the point of vector a. So what makes vector a? That's the question. 2 point makes vector a. 0, 0, of course, and what else? And what else? Let's see, this is 30 degree above the x-axis, so that means this is 30 60 90 triangle. That means this is x, this is 2x, and this is x root 3. Then 2x is 3, then x must be 1.5. If x is 1.5, then x is opposite. X is opposite to the angle 30 degree. Then x must be y. So then this is 1.5. Now let's see, if x is 1.5, then what is the x? And that is 1.5 times square root of 3, and that is 2.6. Hopefully that was not that confusing. Now I want to do head and tail. So in order to do the head and tail, I have to first draw this one, and then I have to take the other one. See, the other one is the other vector, which is the vector b. Vector b is I want to keep this same in magnitude but opposite in direction, and that become this same in magnitude but opposite in direction. Now I'm going to take the vector b and put it on the top of the head of vector a. All right, so this is what I want to do. Now I no longer need this point. I need only these 2 points because this is my resultant. This is my resultant. So I need the 2 points that make the resultant. So 0, 0 make the resultant, and what else make the resultant? All right, so also 2 points make the resultant. Now let's see the x component of the red vector. X component of the red vector, you see, x component of the red vector is still 2.6. Voila. The y component of the red vector, voila, y component of the red vector is no longer the whole thing. Y component of the red vector is only this. Y component of the red vector is only this. Why is that? Is because this is negative 3, and positive 1.5 is of course negative 1.5. That's why this the whole thing is no longer there. So it's becoming smaller. Magic 1.5. These 2 points in case this point and this point in case make this resultant. So now that I have 2 points, then I can either use the Pythagorean theorem or distance formula. Let's first use the distance formula. So who is going to give us x2, which is 2.6, minus x1, which is 0. So square plus, so y2, which is negative 1.5, minus 0, which is 1.5, which is 3. Alright, so the Pythagorean theorem, this is the distance formula which gives us then the Pythagorean theorem. Let's see what it gives us. A square plus b squared. So c squared is a squared is 2.6 squared plus b squared is negative 1.5 squared, which also give us 3. Now we're going to try to find the tangent. So the angle between the resultant and the positive x-axis. So angle between resultant and positive x-axis, if we find this one, then we will find the one that is counterclockwise. So tangent inverse is y, which is negative 1.5, and x, which is 2.6. So that gives us negative 30 degree. If this is negative 30 degree, then the angle counterclockwise is 330 degree. So what is the answer? A minus B is 3 meter at 330 degree counterclockwise. Thank you for watching.